Ready to dip your toes into the world of Bitcoin? Great! The first step is choosing a platform to buy it from. And let me tell you, there are a lot of options out there. But if you're looking for a user-friendly, secure, and reliable exchange, look no further than Swyftx. Swyftx is an Australian cryptocurrency exchange that makes buying, selling, and trading Bitcoin a breeze. They've got a slick interface, a wide range of cryptocurrencies to choose from, and top-notch customer support. Plus, they're regulated by Austrac, so you can rest assured your funds are in safe hands. So, how do you get started? It's as easy as pie. Just follow these simple steps. First things first, you'll need to create a Swyftx account. Head over to their website and click on the Get Started or Sign Up button. You'll be asked to provide some basic information, like your name, email address, and a secure password. Don't worry, they take security seriously, so your information is always protected. Once you've filled out the form, you'll receive an email asking you to confirm your email address. This is just a standard security measure to prevent any unauthorized access to your account. Just click on the link in the email and you're good to go. Now, you're ready to move on to the next step, verifying your identity. Section 4. Verification. Keeping your Bitcoin safe and sound. I know, verifying your identity can seem like a drag, but trust me, it's for your own good. You see, Swyftx is committed to maintaining a safe and secure platform for all its users. This commitment is not just a promise, it's a practice that involves multiple layers of security. And part of that involves complying with Know Your Customer and anti-money laundering regulations. These regulations are designed to prevent fraud and ensure that the platform remains a trustworthy place for all transactions. Verification is a quick and painless process. It might seem like an extra step, but it's a crucial one to keep your investment safe. You'll just need to provide a few documents to prove your identity, like a driver's license or passport. This helps Swyftx confirm that you are who you say you are. Swyftx uses sophisticated security measures to protect your data, including encryption and multi-factor authentication. These measures ensure that your personal information is kept confidential and secure from unauthorized access, so you can rest assured your information is in good hands. If you ever have any concerns, Swyftx's customer service team is always ready to assist you. Once your identity is verified, you're ready to unlock the exciting world of Bitcoin. You can start trading, investing, and exploring all the opportunities that come with cryptocurrency. So take that small step of verification and dive into the future of finance with confidence. Section 5. Making your first Bitcoin purchase. A momentous occasion. Congratulations, you're now a verified Swyftx user. It's time to make that all-important first Bitcoin purchase. Head over to the Buy, Sell, or Trade section of the platform. There, you'll see a list of cryptocurrencies available for purchase, including Bitcoin. Select Bitcoin and enter the amount you want to buy in Australian dollars. Swyftx will show you the current Bitcoin price and the total cost of your purchase. If you're happy with everything, click on the Buy Bitcoin button. Easy peasy, right? Your Bitcoin will be added to your Swyftx wallet immediately. Now you're officially a Bitcoin owner. Welcome to the club.